Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to withdraw money from Stash app. So if you want a fast access to your money, the instant debit withdrawal option is the best overall method. It lets you transfer funds from your Stash bank account to your linked debit card, and the money usually arrives within 1 minute. There is a 1% fee, which is free and fee, but the speed and convenience make it ideal for timing matters. And here's how to do it. Open the Stash app and tap transfer. Then select move cash, then choose your Stash account as the source and your linked debit card as the destination. Then enter the amount, which is up to 1,000 per transfer, and confirm. So if you don't want to pay a fee and can wait a few days, a standard bank transfer to your linked external bank account is still reliable, and it just takes between 3 to 5 business days. So if it is fastest, instant deposit withdrawal, which is 1% fee, arrives in 1 minute. And if it is free and reliable, standard free to bank, which is 0% fee, takes up to days. So let me know what your goal is, if it is for speed or for no fee, and that's it.